Hello. You will need some cooking oil, mixed chicken spice, salt and pepper, and chicken. Let's start by cutting the chicken into small cubes, or alternatively you can cut them into strips if this is your preference. Please be careful when cutting the chicken, so that you don't cut yourself. Now start by frying the chicken in some oil. Once your chicken starts to fry, you can add all your spices. Set aside the fried chicken cubes, so that it can cool down. Warm your wraps in your frying pan, no oil is needed here. Now let's prepare the filling for the wraps. Mix your choice of filling together, and add the mayo. Now all that is left is to fill your wrap and enjoy your delicious work of art. Happy cooking, everyone!